Hello friends, good morning. So in today's video we'll discuss about lunar eclipse and its impact on the market. We have seen the impact of solar eclipse also in the last few weeks when Nifty and the world markets have fallen drastically, especially after 20th of October. We have seen a very good decline both in Indian markets and the world markets. So which we have discussed in our previous video. I'll add the link in the description. You can have a look at it. So today we are discussing on lunar eclipse because lunar eclipse happened, yesterday only, and it also has a very good impact both on Indian markets and the world markets. So moon is the satellite of Earth, and it creates, a lot of emotional havocs in the market. And we have discussed many times about, new moon and full moon or Purnima and Amavasya in our previous videos, and we have seen how big their impact in short-term reversals in the market. Moon is basically for short-term reversals, and moon is basically it will impact stocks which are a part of oil and gas. It will impact stocks which are part of anything which is related to water shipping industry. And hopefully, after 4th of November, we can see some, some uh, the war which is happening between Israel and Gaza will see some decline towards that because of the change of the moon cycles, which we will discuss. So this is about eclipse, which I've read it from one of the GAN books. So while the monthly lunation cycle set up a background rhythm for market prices, rudimentary interaction with sun and moon with other planets rarely trigger shift in market. The eclipse should never escape attention of potential harbinger for a significant trend change. Now, how to find these eclipses? You can find it via, I mean, it's available online, but I use this Eclipse Finder tool in timing solution software. So if I put a year 2020, and there are a lot of lunar eclipses, but we are focusing only which is minimum coverage is 90%. It can happen in any part of the world. As we are a global economy, if one thing happens in one part of the world, it generally impacts the other part also. So I've chosen 90%. Minimum coverage should be 90% for the next 10 years. If you click on calculate, it will give you the eclipses like 26 May 2021 was 99%, 98%, like that you will get it. So first thing is to use these eclipses, and then we use a Gann technique also to find the next major small swing dates in the eclipses, which we will discuss both of them. So as of now, the eclipses are happening on May 26, November 19, May 16, November 8, May 25th, 2000, and October 28th. And next eclipse will happen on September 28th. Let's see their impact, starting with from 2001, May 26, 2021. So it's not like that they will have a good impact every time. So now this was a market was in uptrend, and then the eclipse high was broken and the market continued with its uptrend. Here you can see it made a short-term bottom here exactly on 26 May, and from there we had 3-4 days of good rally. Then this was a perfect bottom on 16 May 22 and a good rally from there. Then the next day it made a bottom. This was the eclipse day, 9th November, and next day it made a bottom, and from there we again saw a good rally. So eclipse high was breached and then a good rally came in. And this is again a kind of perfect bottom on May 5th, 2023, and next is on October 28th. So probably Monday's high and low will be very important. So one way to deal with this is just mark the high and low of this candle. So I'll take this example. So this was the high and this was the low. If you are a swing trader, positional trader, you can look at Reliance, you can look at any company which is dealing with oil and gas, HPCL, BPCL, you can use this. So this is high and low. The low was breached with a gap down, we cannot take a trade. High was breached, you take a trade. And the range for this day is around 77, it's around 18,197 to 18,296. What I generally do is I use my intraday ratio calculator. Let me quickly show you. So we have applied this, then we can put the high and low. So the high was for this day, the high was 18,296 and low was 18,117. 18,296, 18,117. Select that, click OK. You'll get your buy and sell levels. So above these values you have to buy, and these are your targets. You almost achieved all your targets, and below this red point you have to take a sell trade. right? If you don't have this, I mean, these are obviously paid indicators, but if you don't have this, then you can obviously do your own calculations between high and low, take the range and take the range as your target once the high and low are breached. So this is a simple way you can use this lunar eclipse to capture some significant moves in the market. Now, what happens is these dates comes once in a while. So once you miss this move or once the prices goes above or below this range, then you don't have much option. Now to take care of that, so let's take, I have taken 26 May 2021. You can open this GAN Analyst Professional software. It is free of cost. So the software name is GAN Analyst Professional. If you can Google, it is available free of cost. Last update was in 2008, but it has some good features. You go to tools and click on GAN emblem. So this emblem will come like this, and you have to rotate this to the lunar date. So our lunar date was, I'll take first example, 26 May 2021. So I'll go here, search for a date of, I see I'm rotating this wheel, 26 May. The start date should come to 26 May 2021. Now you will get these dates. You can make a note of that. 90 is August 25. Then you have to look at 120 degree, which is September 25. Then you have to look at 144 degree, October 19th. Then 180 degree, November 25. Then 216, December 31st, and February 24th. So this is February 24th of 2023. So this we are dividing the main dates into sub dates or basically based on circle, triangle, and square. Now these will play a very significant role in capturing, because if you do on May 26th, then the next date which is coming is somewhere around 1 minute, let me find the eclipse finder. So May 26th was first lunar eclipse, then next is coming in November 19th. So there is a difference of almost 5 to 6 months, right? So now if you want to take a trade, so May 26th I've taken a trade, market is above this high, what to do? I mean, I cannot wait forever for, to take a, because we are thinking like a trader, not like an investors. So what we do is we subdivide these dates. So the subdivision of dates I've shown you. Let me draw an horizontal line on this. So first one is August 25th. Let me come to that. Horizontal line, vertical line. So first date which we'll get is August 25th. Now again, to reiterate, these are not holy grails. These are not, like every trade will be successful, but you get a very good edge. So this is August 25th, and from there you can see it breached the high, and from there we got a good move again, right? So if you miss this move, you can take care of this. Then the next date which is coming is 120 degree, which is coming as September 25th. So let's quickly go and check what happened on September 25th. September 25th. Again, see, this was a very good turning point. So 25th was a holiday. Next day, very good turning point. We had a good fall on the market. Then after 90, 120, then we have 124th, which is August 19th. August 19th will be somewhere here. Sorry, October 19th. That was a perfect top of the market. See here. October 19th was a perfect top, right? Then 144 is done. Then 180 degrees, November 25th. November 29th was anyways this thing. So November 25th again. See, you can capture a top, capture this move, and then a bottom also. Again, this looks very good on hindsight, but you have to be mentally very strong to do this kind of trades. But at least with backtesting, you can obviously gain an edge over it. So November 25th is also done. Then we have December 31st, right? And 270 degrees, Feb 24th, December 31st. December 31st will be somewhere here. After that, an excellent move came. And then the last one is Feb 24th. Feb 24th was the day when we got invaded by Ukraine. Right, so these are the dates where you can capture some very nice move. The market was down almost 6% on that day, if I remember correctly. Yeah, almost 5%. So these kind of dates is such, even the top of October was caught, and this major crash which came because of that Russia-Ukraine war also we were able to catch it. So this is a very simple way of capturing. You don't have to do any complex calculations to do this time cycle. Lunar eclipse dates are available. This software is available. Go ahead and explore this. So now let's quickly check if the last lunar eclipse was on uh, 2023, May 2023 and October 28th. So May 2023, what will be the next major dates? Let's go to May. It was 5th May 2023. So 5th May 2023 is here. See here, then we are getting one date as November 4th, 180 degree. So this is where we can see some good, I mean, easing of the war, or probably market can show a reversal. So, but these are the important dates again, which you need to keep in mind. And similarly, if you do October 28th, which the lunar eclipse has happened, so you can find the future dates for the next year. Like January 28th will be very important. This is near budget, so obviously that will be important. Then 120 degrees for 27th. You can watch out for these dates. You can keep them in your trading plan. So that's about it. How beautifully you can capture good moves from lunar eclipse, and if you subdivide the dates, you can capture some major trending moves also in the market. So yeah, that's about it. Wish you guys all the best. Study these simple techniques. All this data is available on internet. This scan analyst profession is available on internet. No major softwares required for this. Go ahead, practice it. Try to find some good trades, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much.